Verify that the tangents to the circle at the points 4, 3 and 3, 2 are parallel to each other. So what we'll do, we will first try to determine the equation of the tangents. Tangents at the point 4, 3 and at the point 3, 2, and we will verify that the slope of the two lines are going to be equal, which will tell us that they are going to be parallel to each other. Let us begin. So first what we'll do, we'll consider the equation of the circle. So here we are given x squared plus y squared minus 7x minus 5y plus 18 equals to 0. So here we're going to compare it with the general form of a circle, which is x squared plus y squared plus 2 times gx plus 2 times fy plus c equals to 0. That means we are going to get the value of 2g will be equals to negative 7, which means g comes out to be negative 7 over 2. Then 2f will be equivalent to negative 5, which means that the value of f will be negative 5 over 2. And then the constant c will be equals to 18. Now we have the value of g, we have the value of f, and we have the value of c. Now, to find out the equation of the tangent, we're going to use something known as the point form. So let's quickly recap what's the point form of a tangent. It's given by x times x1 plus y times y1 plus g multiplied to x plus x1 plus f times y plus y1 plus c equals to 0. So this g, f and c, this will be equivalent to the g, f and c that's found in the equation of the circle. Here x1 comma y1 is going to be the point at which the line is tangent to the circle. So that means if we consider our point A having the coordinates 4, 3, then we can use the point form to determine the equation of the tangent line. So let's begin. So here we have x times x1. So x1 will be the x coordinate of A. This will be added to y times y1. y1 will be the y coordinate of A. So that's 3 plus g. So g we have already defined, that's negative 7 over 2. This will be multiplied to x plus x1. Then we have f value. F value we have defined it as negative 5 over 2. That will be multiplied to y plus y1. So y1 will be positive 3 plus the constant value 18. So this will be equals to 0. So let's further simplify. We have 4x plus 3y minus 7 over 2 times x. Then we have negative 14. Then we have negative 5 over 2y minus 15 over 2 plus 18 equals to 0. Now 4x minus 7 over 2x, that's going to be x over 2. This is done. Then we have 3y minus 5y over 2. So 3y minus 5 over 2, that's going to be positive y over 2. This is taken care of. Now we have the constant. So we have negative 18 plus 18, so that's positive 4. So 4 minus, we have 4 minus 15 over 2, so that's going to be 8 minus 15 over 2. So that's simply negative 7 over 2. This will be equals to 0. So let's multiply throughout with 2 to get x plus y minus 7 equals to 0. Then we can also express it as y equals to negative x plus 7. And this is the slope-intercept form. So our slope of this particular line is going to be equals to negative 1. This is the coefficient of x. Now we'll be using the point form to find out the equation of the other tangent, which is passing through the point 3, 2. So let's do that. So we have the other point B with coordinates 3, 2. So the equation of the tangent will be x times x1. So x1 is 3 here, plus y times y1. y1 will be 2 in this case. Added to g. So g is negative. G is negative 7 over 2. Negative 7 over 2 added to x plus x1. Then we have f value is negative 5 over 2. So this will be y plus y1 plus the constant c. So c is 18. So let's verify. Yeah, it is 18. That will be equals to 0. Let's multiply throughout with 2. So we're going to get 6x plus 4y minus, we're doing this so that we can get rid of the fraction. We have 7 times x plus 3 minus 5 times y plus 2 added to 18 times 2. So that's 36. This will be equals to 0. So we have 6x plus 4y minus 7x minus 21 minus 5y minus 10 plus 36 equals to 0. So 6x minus 7x, that will be negative x. 4y minus 5y, that will be negative y. Now we are left with the constant term. So negative 21, negative 10, so that's negative 31. So 36 minus 31, that will be positive 5 equals to 0. We can rewrite this equation as y equals to negative x plus 5. And here we have the slope. So slope of this tangent line, that also comes out to be negative 1. Clearly, we have both the two tangent lines having the same slope value. So we can say that the equation of the tangent to the circle at the points 4, 3 and 3, 2 are going to be parallel to each other.